is here. I'm so excited. Like, hurrah. Hey guys, what's up? I'm Louise and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another review for y'all because y'all liked my last one so much and I was just so shocked and shook. So I'm bringing y'all another eyeshadow look and another review on another palette by Beauty Glazed. Okay, today I'll be reviewing the Beauty Glazed Reversal Planet palette. So I got this palette for $13.88. Yeah, you heard that right. $13.88 on Amazon. Prime shipping took 2 days, got here quickly, and now it's in my hands. And this palette consists of 40 different shades that are either shimmers, mattes, glitters, or metallic shades. So yeah, look at it. It's so cute. I don't know if y'all can see like the shimmers in the planet, but it's there. Okay, it is there. Here are the shades. It comes with 40 shades, like I said. They're also beautiful. So unlike my previous palette review, which was the color board palette that had a whole bunch of colorful, bright, pigmented colors, this one is for you neutral color lovers. This is for y'all who like neutral colors and aren't really a big fan of colorful eyeshadow looks. So this palette has a much better range of shades for you to do more neutral looks, and if you want to add a pop of color, of course they have them right all over here. Okay, they have them everywhere, so you can do so much with this. And I'm so excited because I've been wanting a palette that was neutral for a while, because all of my palettes are very, come on, say colorful, and I just wanted something that's a little more relaxed. I'm just gonna do a quick little swatch of some of these colors so y'all can see on my fingers. Let's do, what color should I do? I don't know what color to swatch. I only have 5 fingers and it's 40 shades, and like, so just to show you guys how the pigment looks, this is how it's looking on my fingies. So this is how the pigment is looking on my fingers. Very, very pigmented and cute. So let's see how it looks on my eyes. And before I even get started on this eye look, make sure you go ahead and hit that like button because I know you're gonna like it. I just know. Trust me. I know. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well and turn on your post notifications so you'll be updated every time I upload. And I upload very, very consistently, people. Now let's get into the video. Alright y'all, so I know in my last video I did a super colorful look. Go check it out if you haven't already. It'll be in the description box. But today I'm actually going to do a neutral look using their pressed glitter pigments. Also, y'all, this palette has names for the eyeshadows. So what? I'm gonna be able to say, okay y'all, I'm gonna use. Okay guys, so I'm hopping straight into it. I'm taking Rust, which is a dark burgundy color, and I'm applying it to my outer crease. Y'all, the pigment, as soon as I put it on, this pigment though, like what? Y'all heard me say it myself. The pigment was super there, okay? It was there. Like, it was there. But the eyeshadow does have a lot of fallout, so I would recommend doing your eyeshadow before your makeup, or just tapping your brush before you apply it, because it'll be all over your face if you don't. So now I'm going in with the color Khaki. It is a reddish brown color, but it's a step up from the color that I just used. So I'm just going in with that and applying it into the rest of my crease, as well as using it to kind of diffuse the burgundy color that I packed on before, just to make sure that it'll be a nice blend. Alright Alright guys, so don't worry about blending out too much because now I'm going in with the color Apricot, which is a yellow color. Yes, it is yellow. But watch how it just diffuses the top of everything and blends everything out so nicely, so it's not like a harsh line where you applied your other two eyeshadows, because it allows everything to just flow a lot nicer and smoother. Also, you don't have to do dark to light. You can always start from a transition shade and just work your way to a darker color. But after experimenting, you know, for me, I prefer to do darker colors and work my way up to the lighter. Now I'm taking the famous Louise eyeshadow base in this 99-cent brush from Wet n Wild, and I'm attempting to cut my crease. Y'all, this takes forever for me because I have like hooded eyelids and like your girl be struggling, okay? I be struggling. But after I get a pretty decent look, a pretty decent shape, I go ahead and do the other eye. Also, I wasn't trying to do a full like lid cut crease. I wanted to kind of cut it off so I could blend my crease into my cut crease. And this is what I came up with. So, good job, Marion. You tried. You tried. So this is optional, but I'm taking ivory, which is like this rose gold, and topaz, which is like a yellow gold, and I'm mixing them together on my lids because I noticed the palette doesn't have a real gold shimmer like they have a pressed glitter gold, and I wanted some type of base to go under the glitter. But that's optional. Like I said, you don't really have to do that. I was just being extra. And before we go in with the pressed glitter, I wanted to deepen my crease, so I took Cocoa, which was a dark brown, and I just added it to that corner to kind of blend it into that half cut crease. Now I know I showed y'all the palette, but look at this palette up close, y'all. Look at it up close. Wow. Now I'm taking the pressed glitter pigment in the color Venus, which is that gold glitter. At first I used my brush to try to apply the pressed glitter, but then I realized that I prefer to use my finger instead because it was a lot better. It was just a lot easier. And I went in with the brush to go in where the crease was. So I recommend using your finger to actually do the lid and then using the brush to go in where the crease is. So this is how my lids are looking now. Let's move on to the eyeliner that I always use, the E.L.F. liner. And I'm just applying it as usual. Some people choose to do their liner before they apply the glitter just because it goes on a little more smoother. But for me, I'm just really clumsy, and I know if I apply my liner before, I'm gonna get glitter on it. So I would rather just go on top of it. So after applying a little mascara, this is what I came up with, but we're not done. So in my old videos, I always just find a pair of old lashes, but your girl got some new lashes in, and so yes, shout out to AliExpress. If you want a video on how I find my lashes and apply them, let me know. So now I'm doing my lower lash line, and all I'm doing is taking the first color that I used, which was Rust, and I'm just applying that to the outer part of my eye. I'm not going under the whole eye, just half of it, and it just adds a more of a smoky effect. I'm also applying some mascara. After doing this, I did go back in with my powder and fix the fallout eyeshadow that landed on my face. And now I'm taking this lip liner in the color Night Moth by MAC. And I'm taking this matte liquid lipstick by Wet n Wild called Video Vixen. I really love this color. It is one of my favorites. And last but not least, I'm adding a little highlighter to add a little razzle dazzle. guys, so this is the final look, y'all. I love this palette. Beauty Glazed, can y'all do any wrong? Because this palette was just so good. And honestly, it was even more pigmented than my last palette, so I was kind of shocked, you know. As y'all can see, I had a lot of fallout like right here, but luckily it came off fine. I would recommend doing your eyeshadow before doing your makeup if you use this palette or any of the Beauty Glazed palettes, because they do fall off. So tap your brushes before you put them on. Tap your brushes. But other than that, the eyeshadows were amazing and the color is just so beautiful. So yeah, the link for this palette will be in the description box, so make sure y'all check that out if y'all want to get this palette, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what palette I should try next or what products, because I love it. And don't forget to follow me on all of my social medias. They'll be listed down below. I have so much more coming, so much more planned. I don't think y'all ready, but it's coming. Bye guys.